RAM, or Random Access Memory, is something that a lot of us think about when talking about the performance of a computer. But what actually is RAM, and how much of it does your computer need? RAM is a form of computer memory that can be read and changed in any order, typically used to store working data and code. In simpler words, it's where your PC keeps data for quick access before it's processed. Computer RAM and computer storage are both measured in gigabytes, but they are a completely different thing. Storage is a process through which digital data is saved within a data storage device like a flash drive, SSD, or a hard disk. Storage is where you save your files, pictures, and games. RAM is something that only your computer's brains can access, and you can't put any files there. RAM is a form of volatile memory. It's like a temporary shelf where your computer can put something and easily access it. But when you walk away from the shelf, it disappears. Meaning that RAM only holds on to data while the chip is powered and completely erases everything when you shut down your PC. There are a few types of RAM sticks that can be installed onto your computer's motherboard. Their names start with DDR followed by a number. The higher the number, the newer the stick, which means that it's better. Before purchasing a new RAM stick, make sure to find out which type of stick your computer supports. Newer systems typically come with DDR4 and DDR5 memory. The question about how much RAM do you actually need, you're going to have to answer yourself based on what you use your computer for. But here are a few guidelines. With 8 GB, you would only be able to run one lightweight game or a few Chrome tabs at the same time. And as technologies improve, each application starts using more and more of system memory, so 8 GB of RAM wouldn't last you long. These days, you should aim for a minimum of 16 GB of RAM if you're planning to use your machine for a couple of years, because 8 GB is considered a bare minimum for most people. With this amount of storage, you would be able to run most games with ease, assuming that your computer also has other reasonable components as well, browse the internet, multitask, and do just about anything any modern computer would be able to do. However, if you're a creative professional who edits videos, exports large projects, and uses their computer for heavy rendering, your RAM needs might be a little higher than 16 GB. Those who are doing memory-intensive work should consider going with 32 or even more. So to summarize, while a small minority of users may be able to get by with 8 GB of RAM, if you plan on playing recent games or undertaking moderately intensive productivity tasks, 16 GB is recommended. With this amount of memory, most users can leave their other processes and apps running in the background while playing a game or have more than a few programs running at the same time. And outside of those who are processing raw photographs or rendering high-resolution video, 32 GB of RAM is overkill. If you found this video helpful, I think you will also enjoy this one.